In this video, I am going to show you the Rocket League 2025 and how to change your profile picture from there. So what you can do is you can just head over to store.epicgames.com. This is because your Rocket League is connected to your Epic Games account. So if you change your profile picture from your Epic Games, it will also be changed into your actual Rocket Games. So onto the actual website, click on here on your name. You can see right here that my account is actually have the profile picture of A. So for this one, head over to the account option. And then from in there, you will be redirected to the account settings of your actual profile. From in there, you can see this. We have the personal details, company, data, and the likes. So into this case, you can actually change your profile picture through this way. We have in here as well parent and rewards, creator tools, and the likes. You can head over right here to your options that you would want as well in this case. You can also head over to the publisher profile and make a profile from there and change your profile picture from here as well. So that's how you change your profile picture in Rocket League. Hope we helped.